Thanks to the company's over 240-year history, we at Takeda can rely on the expertise, dependability, and competence of our employees around the world and look back on breakthrough developments in the pharmaceutical industry. In Austria, we are proud of life-changing milestones and innovation. For over 70 years, we have been producing medicines in Austria for the treatment of rare and complex diseases. However, our history goes back even further. As early as 1778, the Heilmittelwerke were founded, which are the cornerstones of our presence in Austria. Today, Takeda's production sites in Austria are located in 3 federal states, in the cities of Vienna, Linz, and Ort an der Donau. Each of these locations have their own history and a long tradition. Every day, our employees make their valuable contribution to producing essential therapies for patients in over 100 countries worldwide. In addition to the production of plasma-derived therapies, other focal points include the production of biologics, as well as products for gene and cell therapy. Thanks to our many years of experience and expertise, new products and processes can be implemented very quickly. Short supply chains, domestic suppliers, and regional products will continue to ensure the reliable production of our medicines in the future. We are proud to be able to provide patients with products made in Austria.